Hey up! Before I go on about my next video, I'd just like to say a bit of a thanks. I've got over 300 subscribers now, which is absolutely amazing. I didn't really start this out to kind of pull in loads of subscribers, I'll be honest with you. It's just a bit of something to do. It was a bit of escapism. When you've got things going on in your life, sometimes you need to just be able sort of, I suppose, get your head out of the shed and put yourself into something that can take your mind off things. So that's kind of what it was all about, you know. I just wanted to do a bit of something, take your mind off things, and I come in here, do little bits and bobs, and I just thought I'd record it while I'm doing it. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I thought, why not give a little bit of something back? So that was the idea of it anyway. So 300 subscribers, absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching. If you can drop us a like and a comment, that'd be great. People drop by but don't subscribe. If you could subscribe, that'd be even better. And hopefully build the channel a little bit. It gives you kind of a bit of a purpose in life, I suppose. But anyway, it's all good. And thanks for tuning in. Anyway, let's get on with the next video. Right, what the plan is this time, it's another plan to build. Basically out of the same wood as I built the last one out of. The garden divider, if you've seen that. And basically all it is a 700 high tall planter. Approximately 300mm square. It all depends on the size of the timbers, to be honest with you, but it'll be approximately them sort of sizes. And the idea is just sit one of these plastic inserts in the top with a bit of sort of trim around the top, if you like. And that's basically it. It'll be painted willow green, same as the other stuff I make. And that's basically it. Let's see where we go. Right, these are the bits and bobs I've cut. All the lengths and then some pieces for joining them together. Basically join the sides together. Right, I've put these bits, a couple of pieces here. Make sure they're square so that when I'm putting the bits and bobs together, they go together a little bit quicker. So I can just drop them on the bench. That's the idea. So I've got 4 of these. Pick the best side. That's it. Couple of cross members on, and job's a good one. One done, 7 more to go. Right, what I've just realised is I've cut these pieces, these ones, to go across 5mm too big. So I've made up 2 sides and I'm going to have to trim them off, so I thought I'd just stick the track saw on and just trim them off, and then I'll cut all the others back down to the size I need. Hopefully that's the right size now. I'll soon find out. Yeah, that's better. trim this one off now. Find my pencil. I must have about 3,000 pencils. Let's see. That's all the sides done. So I think we'll start and put them together a bit now. So I've cut these narrow strips with the intention of that's how I'm going to join them together. So in that sort of area there, I'm going to glue them and pin them. Right, what I've done, I've cut these bits here that'll fit in purely because the pot that I've got is only a small pot and it'll give it something to sit on basically all the way around. So when that goes in, then I'll put a trim around here which will finish it all off. Like I say, that's the trim round now, and this pot just sits pretty snug in there. I shall put a trim around the top now, just close in so I can just about get the pot out if needed. But I think before that, I think I'll paint it in the willow green. Right, the stuff I'm painting it with is this Cuprinol Willow. I've used it a few times, if you've seen one or two of my other videos. It seems to go on quite well. Normally takes 2 coats of this. So I'll get painting and then I'll get back to you when I've done it. Right, they both had 1 coat. I'll wait for that dry, and while I'm waiting for that dry, I'm going to start the trim to go around the top of the box here. So I'll get that sorted, get some bits cut. Right, what I've done, I've cut these 8 pieces here, and the idea is to build the top trim up like that, what I'm going to do is do butt joints with pocket holes. I've gone through in another video before why I've kind of gone this way, but I've done them with 45s before and they've ended up splitting a bit, but I can't say it's a pocket hole them. But reading on the internet, people tend to favour butt joints for sort of garden furniture, garden pots and stuff. So anyway, that's the way I'm going to go with these. So let's get them pocket holed and put together. Right, so that's got the pocket holes in, and that's basically how it's going to go together. Bit of wood glue and screws. That's it, they've had one coat of the cream, this stuff here, this country cream. So I'll let them dry, and then what I'm going to do is fix them on, and then I'll give them a final coat once they're fixed to the planters themselves. Alright, these are just some nylon glides as I'm knocking in. Hopefully just keep it off the ground. Help protect it a little bit. Here's a planter, all planted up. Not as we can enjoy the garden at the moment, everything's covered up because of the bad weather that we keep having. And there's the other one that I made. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll tune into the next one.